Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use Canva for graphic designing. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Now you can see here free designing tool. Just click on this. You can see here create a design. Click on this, and this video is for graphic designing purpose, so I'm designing Instagram post. Here's the editing portion, and here's the templates. You can choose a template for editing, so I'm choosing this one. If you want to edit or add something, just double click on the portion and you can see here the box. Just click on backspace from your keyboard and it will be removed, and add your one like this. Okay, so if you want to delete a picture, click on a picture and click on backspace from your keyboard and it will be removed like this. So if you want to change the background color, click on this picture twice, double click and click on this background color. After this, drag down and you will find many colors. Just choose a color. Okay guys, so if you want to add many, after this click on add page and start editing here for new. So guys, after editing, if you want to share with people, just click on share button and click on this and click on write anyone with the link and put here the email address here. gmail.com. So guys, if you click on send, it will be sent to these people. Okay guys, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So basically this is how you can make or start your graphic design on Canva. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, goodbye.